Good morning, and welcome to, once again, Monday Morning Messengers 2018. Folks, let me just go ahead and tell you up front, it was a great PD on Friday. I think there were a lot of takeaways. I really enjoyed watching as Mr. Cofield is in the background, and I'm sure he can attest to this. We really enjoyed listening to some of the quality feedback and the work that was done in your respective groups. Certainly, this is an area of focus. What we want to be able to do is start streamlining our instructional practices and really focusing on what's going to bring us the biggest or greatest gain, if you will, moving towards the ending of this semester. Certainly, we have a lot on the slate for this month. It's going to be a busy month. JCAP, also known as our advisory, Ms. Aiken sent out some information regarding that. Also, we know that seniors are going to test in respect to the work keys. We had a bit of a calamity on last semester, or should I say last month. But we certainly are looking in an effort to get our seniors back focused and certainly take these work keys very seriously. And I think that's going to happen. And I think that we're going to have some success as our seniors take these work keys. Also, everyone teaching 11th graders, we certainly want to put our focus on looking at teaching our ACT objectives, and certainly there are some things that we want to look at. Ms. Hyatt is readily available to forward any information regarding ACT to you, so certainly do not hesitate if you need some assistance in that direction. Obviously, as we're getting back into classes and we're getting back into a flow, you'll see new students that you have not had, and it's time to really impress upon them that it is business as usual, and we want to make sure that the culture in your classrooms, in addition to the school, is not augmented, and that we certainly want to ensure that you're doing your due diligence every day to greet your students at the door, getting to know your students. Let's take some time today and maybe even the next couple of days to get a chance to really know your students and maybe know about how to best touch and meet their needs as it relates to learning styles. And so you may want to reintroduce your learning styles inventory, or maybe you have some other inventories that you certainly would like to be able to get a better gauge, a stronger gauge as to how you want to begin to develop your curriculum for the semester. That being said, certainly we want to make sure that we're here as administration team to help you, in addition to our counselors and our support staff, as you make your way, obviously, through this next few weeks, really putting together what you believe is going to be a solid start to this semester. That being said, tomorrow we do have prep staff. That is going to be in room 209. Certainly want to meet at the front of the block so we can go ahead and hit the agenda and move through it fairly quickly. Certainly, here as always, we absolutely enjoy doing what we do, and that's serving others. And here at Pinson Valley, we will continue to promote achievement, respect, and success. Please have a blessed day.